Hello outdoor enthusiasts, today we're diving into the ultimate 16-piece camping cookware mess kit, your perfect companion for any adventure, whether it's camping, hiking, or a picnic. This comprehensive kit includes an anodized aluminum nonstick pot and frying pan, a mini stove with piezo ignition, BPA-free bowls, a soup spoon, and a 304 stainless steel folding knife, fork, and spoon set, all designed to make your outdoor cooking experience seamless and enjoyable. The durable, non-toxic materials ensure fast heat conduction and easy cleaning, while the thermally insulated plastic handles provide a safe, comfortable grip. Everything packs neatly into the largest pot, with foldable handles and a convenient nylon net bag, making it incredibly easy to carry without taking up much space in your backpack. With a compact diameter of just 4.6 inches and a height of 6.1 inches when stored, this kit is designed to be super portable, ensuring you can enjoy cooking wherever your adventures take you. Whether you're out in the wilderness or just enjoying a day at the park, this camping cookware set is your ticket to a hassle-free outdoor culinary experience. So gear up and get ready to elevate your outdoor cooking game with this fantastic mess kit. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.